New details tonight. A man with a criminal past who's now accused of attempted rape is out of jail tonight.
We told you last night Jacoby Tillman walked out of jail a free man as he awaits trial. He's accused of raping or trying to rape a woman on a popular running trail in Orange County earlier this summer. And tonight we are digging deeper into his criminal past. We found out he was actually convicted of a similar attack. And Fox 35's Manny Martinez is joining us live in Orlando now. So Manny, the victim of that attack is uneasy and afraid tonight.
She is, Luann, and tonight she is not the only one second-guessing the judge's decision to grant the suspect release on bond. She says she's not only afraid for herself, but for other women, too.
Convicted felon and now suspected attempted rapist Jacoby Tillman let out a big sigh of relief as the judge determined that, yes, he could walk out of jail a free man this past weekend. So Sunday morning, he did just that. Judge Elaine Barber set his bond at $9,500, even though the state pushed for pretrial detention, and despite the fact she didn't mince words after looking at Tillman's criminal record.
Sir, I want you to listen up.
Yes, ma'am.
You got an atrocious record.
Right.
These charges are violent in nature. If I get any inkling that you have violated the conditions of pretrial release, you will be arrested on a no bond warrant. You'll be put right back in jail, and you will not get out. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Tillman spent 1 year in state prison after convictions in Volusia and Orange counties, among them a stabbing in 2022. Just a few months later, he assaulted Nuri Quinn while she was out for a run.
He's not letting me go. I'm trying to fight him to get off him, but he's really bigger than me. So he has all his body weight on me. And then he finally lets go, and I look at him. I'm like, what are you doing? You could get in trouble for that. And he just looks at me like if I'm crazy, and he runs off.
Quinn didn't want to relive the experience, so she didn't participate with prosecution. Prosecutors went ahead with a misdemeanor case. Tillman pleaded no contest. The judge found him guilty and ordered Tillman to pay a fine, no prison time. Fast forward to this past July, Orange County deputies say Tillman tried to rape a woman on the Little Econ Greenway Trail. An affidavit says Tillman wanted to go a step further. It claims Tillman told a friend he wanted to kill her because he wanted to know what it was like to choke someone out.
I feel really uneasy right now because just as it happened to me and another woman, what happens if it happens to someone else?
The affidavit also claims Tillman's own mother tried to help him arrange a getaway flight from Florida, something prosecutors brought up in court, but his public defender shot down.
I do not believe he is a flight risk in this case.
State Attorney Monique Worrell sent us a statement saying, after reviewing the facts of this case, our office felt that the release of the defendant was not appropriate, and he presents a danger to our community. Former Chief Judge Belvin Perry says judges weigh criminal history, evidence in the current case, and a potential flight risk before making bond decisions.
This is a tough case under any circumstances, based upon the facts and circumstances of this case, to grant him bail.
So we did call and email the judge's office today for a response. Judge Perry says we're not likely to get one because judges are typically not permitted to comment on stories like this, and there's no clear timeline yet for when the suspect is due back next in court. Live in Orlando tonight, Manny Martinez, Fox 35 News.
Manny, thank you.